What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to clear out the oil change interval message on the dash of your International MaxxForce DT 9 or 10. This may also work on the MaxxForce 7. First thing we're going to do is make sure the transmission's in neutral and your parking brake is set. Then you're going to turn the ignition to the on position, but don't start it. You are then going to hit the cruise on, off, on, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold on the 5th on the resume switch. You're going to hold it the 5th time for 4 seconds. After the 4 to 5 seconds, it should clear the light on the dash. If it does not, turn the key off and repeat these same steps a few times. I've seen it before where if the oil change light hasn't been reset for the last 5 oil changes, then you'll have to clear it out 5 times. Sometimes it takes multiple tries. If you do it like 10 times and it's still not working, then unfortunately you'll have to bring it to the dealer. They'll have to hook up their laptop with the MaxxForce Service Max program and clear it out manually or reset it manually with the laptop. I'm not sure what goes wrong, why that happens, but it does happen pretty frequently. So again, the steps are neutral, parking brake set, cruise switch on, off, on, and then the resume 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th time hold it down for 4 to 5 seconds. And then if the light doesn't clear, unfortunately you'll have to go to the dealer. All right guys, as you can see, I did finally get the oil change interval message reset and cleared out. It did take me about 10 tries, so don't be discouraged if it doesn't work the first time. Give it a good 10 to 15 attempts at it. And like I said, each time reset the key off and back on. I was waiting until the oil change light came on before I started doing the sequence. I don't know if that's necessarily a big deal or not, but that's how I did it. Also, the official instructions from International say to hold the resume button when you push it for the 5th time. It says to hold it for 4 to 5 seconds, but I ended up holding it longer, and that's kind of what finally cleared it out. So instead of going on, off, on, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then holding it for 4 to 5 seconds on the 5th push, I would hold it for a good probably 15 to 20 seconds just to be safe. And then if it doesn't work, reset that or restart that procedure. Give it about 10 attempts, and if it's not working, then unfortunately you'll have to go to the dealer. But you know, 5 minutes, you can try that a good 10 times, and it'll save you some money if it does work, so it's worth a shot. So hopefully this works for you. If it helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more videos like this, and check me out on Facebook at Tony the Truck Guy. Thanks for watching.